Welcome back, guys, and in this video I am going to tell you how to make a good professional thumbnail. Actually, earlier I was making a thumbnail in Canva, but now I came to know about some other good apps by which we can make a good professional thumbnail. So in this video I'm going to tell you about that, and the who has not subscribed this channel, they are kindly requested to subscribe this channel. This is a new channel and needs the support. So not wasting much of your time, just go to the video. If you want to make a good thumbnail, then you need to have two apps, two Android apps, and these are the two apps: background eraser and the Pixellab. So just go to the Play Store, and here you can search background eraser and it will come. I have already downloaded it, so I will directly open it. So first just took image of yours or any cricketer or any person. Just shoot the image in, suppose I am taking the image of Virat Kohli, so I have loaded it, then crop as much as possible, done, then it will go. Then you can manually erase and you can go in auto selfie mode and take the selfie also. So everything has been erased. So this type of stop editing, and if you want to do it manual, then go manual mode and then you select the size and then erase. Just like this you can erase the amount of image you want, you can take that. So this is the way by which you can erase the background. So if you want to do on another, just go take this photo and done, then auto selfie mode. Now this is the now done, save. So this type of you have to first erase the background. Suppose you have done this, now you come to the Pixellab. Here I have already made one thumbnail, so I will just override it and go to, and then just select a default. Okay, ad will come, just ignore the ad, just site, and it has gone. Another ad. So very first thing you have to do, just go and go to the image size, and here you have to select YouTube thumbnail. If you want to make thumbnail, then select YouTube thumbnail. This size will come, just okay. Here new text is written, just delete it. Okay, so this is the background. If you want change the color, then go and click here, color, select any color. I will go to the gradient and just I will go here. Suppose I want this color. Then if you want to edit it, you can move to the lighter to darker or darker to lighter. This way I will go in this way. Okay, now this has come here. This is okay, done. Now I will go and insert a shape. Here go to the plus, go to the shapes. Shape has come, now adjust it. So it is adjusted. Okay, then go text, whatever you want to edit, go here and edit the text. Okay, write down what you want to, your topic. Suppose I am taking how to make thumbnails, then how to make thumbnails. Okay, now this is that. Just go and select the color. Where is the color? Where is the color? This, here is the color. Just select it red. If we can change the background also, you can go and you can enable the background and you can red, black, this. Suppose this, any background you can take as per your. I will not take any background, I will go to this only. Now just select to this and you can just rotate it by something. Just go to this and just rotate it -3 degree. Now go to here and just also rotate it. Here it will come, rotate it -3 degree. Now they are parallel. So now go here and lock both. Both have been locked. Click here. Okay. Now you have two options. Just copy it. It has been copied, and edit the text. Suppose within 5 minutes. This. Okay. Go there. You can change the font also, size. You can increase or reduce the size. It is okay now. 1 minute. Then you can change the font also. From where? Go to the fonts. Go to the size, color, mask, font, and you can go from here. Any fonts you can go, suppose or if you have downloaded anyone. So I was going, suppose this font. Okay, within 5 minutes I will increase this. So I will lock this also. Now just again new text, edit it. Professionally, anything you have to just think and the text what you have to write. So if you want to write it, otherwise leave that. I will not take anything. Just I will remove this text. If you want to remove anything you have done, just press this. So now I will add an sticker. Suppose this is sticker. Which sticker you want to use here, you can use stickers here from here also. It is asking something, so I will use this emojis, this here. Now I will add one from gallery. Okay, now we'll add this one. This is here. Now we'll reduce the size. So size has been reduced. Here I will shift here, shift size this also. So they are almost of same size. Now I will add one more from gallery. That is suppose this, not open. Okay, done. Reduce the size, this here. Now I will add that shape from here, not shape. From gallery I will add some this background, and now rotate it. It has been rotated. Just I will adjust the size, then okay, it has come here, just here it is like that. And now I will put the image here. Just go I will lock something. First I will lock all the things because they should not disturb. So from here, then go to the gallery. Now I will take the background images. Here suppose I am taking this. Okay, now just okay, you can adjust it just like that. So now just lock it and unlock it. This unlock, I want to also unlock this. Just go to here and I will shift this. Now I will shift this. Now this is okay. Now I will lock it. Everything has been locked. It has been quickly I have told you how to make this thumbnail. Now you can export the image. The quality should be ultra for high definition. Save to the gallery. Now it has been saved like that. That will become, we will ignore it. Now we will see that image in the gallery. See, here it has been come. So this is a method by which you can create the thumbnail within some time with the help of two apps. I will summarize that. Background eraser, you should erase your photo. In the place of Virat Kohli image, you can put your photo, and with the help of Pixellab. These are the two things by which you can make a good professional YouTube thumbnail. This is all what I want to tell you in this video. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Please pass on this video on social media platform. Thank you very much guys.